Yes, I'm Elena Valjanovska, as Ella said earlier, a friend of Ella and of Christian and yeah, everyone that I met today. Yeah, I'm a freelance curator and cultural worker, I would like to say, because I cover many fields in culture. And I'm still in this in-between transfer phase from moving my professional life from Macedonia to Berlin. It's getting better slowly. So I would like to just mention like the recent activities in which I was really involved in Macedonia before I moved here was really like in the building of the independent cultural scene. And this was some really big shift for myself in learning how to really face, how to get outside of only of the art world and to learn basically how our profession and our needs were seen from policymakers and from the society in general. And for me, this process was really valuable, and I really learned quite a lot of what is community building, and how you should represent really the needs of more people. But my workshop today is inspired by something that is happening in Macedonia recently. This is like the protest movement, which turned into a colorful revolution. And there are really big protests in Macedonia every day in the last 3 months, which is like maybe the highlight of the political situation being like not functioning for more than a year. But apart from this political unrest, something like an interesting thing that was basically born in these protests due to the energy and the time spent there was also like the artistic outcome and the artistic production that was really, it's quite valuable, and it's really communicating the protest goals even further, and it's reaching much further audience. So this will bring me to another current interest, and maybe to the real focus of the workshop, or something that actually I would like to invite you and discuss with you, is a project that we started with a few friends of mine, cultural workers as well, which we called the Value of Culture. And this also kind of started from some personal searching on of someone who just moved into a new circle, into a new city and the country, and realizing that my profile as a cultural worker doesn't really exist on the market. So this is how we started thinking about this project, and really like what are our skills, what is our knowledge, and how can we communicate this with a wider society. So I will somehow merge all these three experiences that I mentioned, and we will try to maybe focus on the individual input that we could have on society, maybe by talking about really, again, about this, the value or how we value culture nowadays, having in mind that the society is really changing, and that our position as cultural workers has to be constantly questioned and changed. So I think, yeah, I will be very short.